Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself Satyam Misra, ex-lecturer at Harrison PG College, and at present I am working as a guest lecturer at Pandit Ramashankar Mishra Mahavidyalaya in the Department of English. Today I am going to make a video at the topic of forms of poetry, and this topic, forms of poetry, is a very important topic according to the point of view of English literature, because of after knowing the concept of forms of poetry, all the student will able to understand the depth of the concept of poem and sonnet very easily. So I am making this video to make aware, especially for the student of BA part 1, part 2 and part 3. So here I am describing that the first topic in forms of poetry, the sonnet. Second, here the sonnet. Second, the elegy. Third topic, the epic, the ode, the lyric, the ballad, the dramatic monologue, allegory, heroic couplet, blank verse, and etc. like as the terza, rhyme and Spenser and stanzas are there. These are the basic topics that is related to the forms of poetry here. Before starting the first topic, the sonnet, I want to explain you the history of the sonnet. Generally, this topic, the sonnet, is introduced by the Italian or the Petrarchan sonnet first in English literature. At that time, the sonnet was used by the Italian poet, and after few time the Italian sonnet is known as with the name of Petrarchan sonnet or Miltonic sonnet, and the Italian sonnet or Petrarchan sonnet or Miltonic sonnet is the same name for this. And there the main thing was the main meaning of the sonnet was, a sonnet is that poem where 14 lines is consisting together. The beginning 8 line is discussing about the matter of octave, and that is going to deliver the matter of the problems of poem. And the last 6 lines, the poem is discussing about the matter of the solution or the answer of that poem. And in Petrarchan sonnet, Miltonic sonnet and in Italian sonnet, the poet uses the rhyming scheme ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE, because this is the rhyming scheme of the Petrarchan sonnet and the Italian sonnet as well as. But after Italian sonnet, the sonnet begins in English sonnet, and in English sonnet is also known as Shakespearean sonnet. In Shakespearean sonnet, all the thing is same, only one thing is going to be changed. First, in Shakespearean sonnet, the 14 lines poem is going to be considered in 3 quatrain and 1 couplet. And in the starting 2 quatrain, Shakespeare discussing about the problem of the poem, and in the last quatrain and the last 1 couplet, Shakespeare gives his solution in his poem. For this, he uses rhyming scheme AB, CD, CD, EF, EF and GG. This is the rhyming pattern of Shakespearean sonnet, and this is the rhyming scheme of Petrarchan or Italian sonnet. After this, of example like the word is too much, the word is too much with us by William Wordsworth. By William Wordsworth. True Love by Shakespeare. And sonnet number 54, 130 and other etc. These are the beginning point related to the important topic, the sonnet. After this, another things has been remained like as the elegy, the epic. We shall see these kinds of things in the next class. And for that, if you are getting all the things very well, like and subscribe my channel Effective Education Point here.